Yes, this is Nii Tete boy. Welcome to my channel. Um, this is my first video of teaching how to make a sound. And when I say a sound, I don't mean just a sound. Okay, yeah, we got to make good sound so that people, if even you are not a professional drummer, the sound is really, really important. Yeah. So if you can make a good sound, then even me, I would listen to your sound. If maybe you playing somewhere and I'm passing, it can be so easy reading. You don't need difficult reading, and your sound is good. I will listen because I came from a music family, a family that we really, really take sound very seriously. Yeah, make good sound before you move to anything else. There are a lot of drummers um, trying to play beats or rhythms, let me say rhythms, but their sounds are not really clear and good. Yeah. Make good sound. And you can make it. Okay, you can make it. Okay, straight. This is called Kpanlogo. Kpanlogo is a Ghanaian drum. It's a drum from Ghana and it's been there for decades. Okay. And Kpanlogo has a lot of style that you can come and and other basic stuff and middle to make a lot of sound. But let me take you from the beginning how to go with it. And the same technique you can use on the djembe and conga. And of course, any palm drum, you can use that technique. So this is my technique because I love to hear good sound. Okay, so let's go. First, I want to teach you how to hit the tone sound. And secondly, I'll teach you the tone mute sound. So we have to do these two for the meantime. And the next video, I will still continue. Keep going, keep going, keep going. The ones who are going to follow me will definitely come out with a good results, finding yourself playing the drum, okay? Because we will get into a level of teaching you how to come up with your own rhythms and how to master your hands. Okay, first, this is my palm. Okay, I've been playing shows, so my hands doesn't have free, doesn't rest. This is my palm, and it doesn't matter how big, small your palm looks like. Okay, this is my palm. So what we would do, I'm taking you African style. Okay. What you would do is to hit the tone first of all. From here to there, this side, you have to make sure all this part will be on the skin of the drum. Okay, it will be on the skin of the drum. So this side will be the edge. Djembe has the edge. Conga has the edge, and Kpanlogo has the edge, as you see. So this side will be at the edge of the drum. So I'm going to hit the drum, okay? Yes. So try it, and make sure this is the thing. You have to make sure your palm hits the drum. Every part of your palm hits the drum one time at a time. You don't want your hand to be something like that or like that, You want to go one time. And it's the same thing. If you keep it, you can go to keep the same sound. To keep the same sound. So this is the tone, okay? This is the tone. And the second sound is the tone mute. So since mute is to silence the sound that will come out. But it's another sound, and it's really important when you are mastering your hands and you like using the tone mute. You understand what I mean. It's really good sound. Okay, so it's the same. Keep your fingers. Don't open your fingers. Okay, don't open your finger, because you want to keep the direction of the sound in a one direction. Okay, so it have to be. Don't put power, like too much energy into your fingers by closing it really hard. No, it's just close. Okay, so it's the same as you play the tone. This time you mute. You put a little energy or pressure to mute, to push the drum, push the skin of the drum. Okay, so this how it go. Right? Yeah, it looks or sound easy, but if you don't put more pressure to push the drum, you wouldn't get the best sound that you want. Okay, so let's do both the tone and the tone mute. Okay, so we have the tone mute, tone mute, tone mute, tone mute, tone mute, tone mute. So you can practice by doing it on and off, and you go. Same, maybe you want to do double. Okay, so we go tone tone mute, I'm using the mute. So, my friends, if you have not yet subscribed and you want to learn something, just subscribe, and I will come more with videos for you to go on. So try to learn the tone and the tone mute, and try to practice on it. One day we will all get better. Okay, bye bye.